start. And action. Hello, children. Good morning on this beautiful Friday. So today we're gonna do some vocabulary. We're gonna learn the meaning of a few words. I need all of you guys. Wait, you guys know what vocabulary words are?
Yes.
All right, awesome. I need all you guys to take out your journeys book. Turn to page 54. Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Adonis. Thank you, Jaden. Yes, that's the right book. Okay, so on page 54, you should see something that says vocabulary and context, which is lesson 17. Do you see that?
Yes.
Do you see the highlighted words?
Yes.
Okay. The first highlighted word says fossil. Can you guys say fossil?
Fossil.
All right, good job. Can you find it in your book and point to it? Yes, good job. The second word I want you guys to find is the word evidence.
Evidence.
What page is that on?
55.
All right, good job. The next word I need you to find is prove.
Prove.
Nice, good job. What page is that on?
54.
All right, and the last word I need you to find is location.
Location.
All right, you guys are doing it really well. So, who can raise their hand and tell me what they think the word fossil means? Joseph?
Fossil.
What do you think it is? Tell me what you think it is. Okay, ancient thing?
Yeah.
So very old, okay. And who can tell me what evidence means? Anaya?
Evidence means that it means like when you find something and you don't know who it is and then you find out who it is, it's like a detective.
Okay, I like that example. Can somebody give me a different example? Adonis?
So, when you find something, it's like when you find something and then you don't know, like what she said, like when you don't know who did it, but then you like, at the cops, they have like something and then they find your fingerprint and then they find out who the person is.
Yeah, they have evidence. They have proof. Okay, speaking of evidence, does anybody know what the word prove means? To prove something. Jaden?
To prove something is like when someone has a low score, then they end up doing their best and they prove themselves to people who said they can't do it.
Yes, I like that. Very good example. And the last one, location. Adonis.
Location is like, you know on your iPhone, like if you pull up the map, it can show your location.
And where would that be showing?
This school.
And that means location is where we...
Where we stay or where we are.
Yeah, it's where we are. Good job. Okay. So now we're going to read a few sentences to see if we can use those words in the sentence. All right. Locate fossil in your book. And Joseph, read that sentence for me.
This man has found dinosaur fossils. He will learn a lot from the old ones.
So if you found dinosaur fossils, what do you think? What would you think he found? What kind of? Give me an example of a fossil, of a dinosaur fossil. Could it be?
I guess a Albertosaurus.
Could it be the bones of the dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And evidence. Is that what page is that on? 55.
55, yes.
Okay. Adonis, can you read that for me?
Egg fossils give evidence or facts about how dinosaurs raised their young.
All right, good job. So egg fossils give evidence or facts. So is facts another word for evidence? Could that mean the same thing in this case?
Facts. Yes, like proof.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. And prove. Anaya, can you read that for me?
Scientists are trying to improve or show that dinosaurs and birds are related.
Yeah, so if the scientists are trying to prove that they're related, what are they trying to? They're trying to show. They're trying to show. They need proof. They need evidence, right?
Yeah.
And location. Jaden, can you read that sentence for me?
Sometimes many dinosaur bones are found in the same location.
Nice, good job. And that means they're found in the same place because that's where they're located. All right, good job. So here's what we're gonna do. You guys know how to use a dictionary?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So what are we looking for in a dictionary? If you're looking in a dictionary, we're looking for
Definition.
a definition. We're looking at the definition of a word. We're looking for the meaning
The
of
meaning,
specific
like
words.
what it means.
Yes, so I like how you guys are already paired up in groups. So I need one person from you two to grab a dictionary in the library. And thank you, Adonis. And Anaya, how about you grab a dictionary from the library as well?
You're welcome.
So here's what we're gonna do in our dictionaries. One of you guys is gonna look up one of the words. Fossil evidence, food, and location. You're gonna write the definition in the dictionary on your piece of paper, while the other one uses the meaning of that word to write a sentence. Just like they have sentences in your book, you have to write your own. So I'll give you an example of a sentence for location. Since we know location is a place of where something is, you could say,
Oh,
Adonis, go ahead, give me an example.
it's like where like a place is, and you say this place is located in Southern California.
Yes, you can say that, but that word is located. How can we make that using the location? Adonis?
The location of this place is near Southern California.
Thank you, very good job. So I need you two to look up the definitions for fossil and evidence, and you guys give me the definition for proven location. So decide who's gonna write the definition, who's gonna write the sentence. Yes, Adonis?
Are we able to put these on?
Excuse me, say that again?
Can we put these on or just put them?
You can, yeah, we can leave the book on your desk. Anaya?
Okay, so he writes the definition. I can just write the sentence of what I think it means.
Yeah, make sure you use the meaning of the word and write a sentence for it. I'm gonna give you guys 10 to 15 minutes to do that. So, time goes by, walking around, so let's just say 10, 15 minutes has passed. Okay, you got the definitions, right? Well, first of all, find the definitions really quick. So find a definition for location in yours, and find a definition for fossil in yours. Let me know when you find it. You found yours? Or what'd you find? Fossil?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second, and let me know when you find location, Jaden. Okay, so while Jaden's looking for that, Joseph, can you read the definition for fossil for me?
Yes. Anything found in the strata of the earth which is recognizable as the animal or plant of a former geological age. Fossils of ferns are sometimes found in coal.
All right, thank you. And Adonis, Give me a sentence for the word fossil.
Dinosaurs used to be alive, but now they died and they became fossils.
Thank you. Good job, Ganis. Jaden, did you find the definition for location? Can you read
Yes.
that out loud for me?
The fact of where something is positioned. The placing of something in a certain spot or area. 3, the finding of something.
Thank you. And Anaya, can you give me a sentence with the word
Okay.
location? Sentence with the word location.
Oh, okay. Location is a place that you can go. It's like this is my location. Yeah, like that.
Thank you. Good job. Okay, so how do you feel about what you just learned?
I feel great.
That's good. I'm glad you feel great. So I need you guys to put your papers on the corner of your desk, close your books. One person put your dictionaries back, put your journey book back inside of your desk. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Jaden. And that is all for the moment. Thank you, Anaya. Thank you, Jaden. Thank you, Joseph, and thank you, Adonis, for helping me out with this. And
You're welcome.
thank you, Athena, for being the perfect camera woman.
Show yourself.